On greater than will BLUM be the 60th launches on Binance Launchpool? Launching October. Key takeaways. Hamster Kombat introduced as the 58th Launchpool project, offering token farming opportunities for users. Catizen joins Binance Launchpool as the 59th project, focusing on decentralized gaming with digital pets. Speculation grows about BLUM becoming the 60th Launchpool project due to its rising popularity in the NFT space. Introduction. Binance has revealed Hamster Kombat as the 58th and Catizen as the 59th projects on its Launchpool. Speculation is rising about BLUM becoming the 60th project, as the crypto community eagerly awaits official announcements. Hamster Kombat, 58th project on Binance Launchpool. Hamster Kombat, a leading blockchain-based, tap-to-earn game with over 89 million active users, has been introduced as the 58th Binance Launchpool project. The listing will allow users to stake BNB and other tokens to farm Hamster Kombat tokens, HMSTR, which is expected to enhance the game's reach and increase token liquidity. With engaging mini-games and interactive features, Hamster Kombat is poised for further growth within the Binance ecosystem. Catizen, 59th project on Binance Launchpool. Catizen, the virtual pet-based blockchain game, is Binance's 59th Launchpool project. Known for its decentralized gaming experience, Catizen allows players to create, trade, and interact with their digital pets while earning Catizen tokens, CATI. The Launchpool listing is anticipated to expand Catizen's user base and improve its token liquidity, making it a notable addition to the Binance platform. Will BLUM be the next? Following these consecutive listings, there's growing speculation that BLUM, an NFT-focused blockchain platform, could be the next Launchpool project. With its unique marketplace for digital artists and collectors, BLUM has gained substantial popularity. If confirmed, a BLUM Launchpool listing would significantly boost its token liquidity and attract a broader audience from the Binance ecosystem. BLUM airdrop date and community engagement. The excitement within the BLUM community is palpable as the BLUM airdrop date approaches, set for Q4 2024. This event has generated significant buzz, as it aims to reward both existing and new users, potentially impacting the BLUM crypto price. With over 20 million users already connected to the platform via Ton wallets, the BLUM airdrop is poised to attract even more participants. This robust engagement is further evidenced by BLUM's substantial online presence, boasting 30 million Telegram subscribers and 4.1 million Twitter followers. The BLUM airdrop confirmed event is not only a major attraction for the current user base but also a magnet for new users eager to capitalize on the rewards. Moreover, the platform's accessibility through its mobile app and mini app within Telegram ensures a seamless trading experience for both seasoned and novice traders. BLUM Coin. Launching October. The highly anticipated BLUM Coin is gearing up for its official debut on October 1, 2024. Marking a major milestone in the crypto world. This launch has sparked excitement among investors and crypto enthusiasts. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect from the launch and beyond. Why October? The decision to launch in October was a strategic one, allowing the team to perfect the platform, capitalize on favorable market trends, and align with the yearly market cycle. The timing will allow BLUM Coin to maximize its impact as the year closes. Collision importance of the launch. A fair and transparent launch is key to the success of BLUM Coin, and the development team has been laser-focused on ensuring every participant has equal access. This approach aims to establish trust and credibility, which will be essential as the community grows. Collision preparations for a smooth launch. The BLUM Coin team has been hard at work, enhancing the platform's infrastructure to guarantee a seamless experience. Steps include server upgrades, performance optimization, and stringent security measures to ensure both stability and safety at launch.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.